Hello my dear children, once again welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn the third part of the B reading in first unit, that is every success story is also a story of great failures. Today we have to complete that B reading. In this section we are going to learn about the great person, great Greek philosopher Socrates. Let us know by the story. Next, after that, we are going to learn about the poem written by Shiv Khera. That is the motivational poem. So, what is in the poem? Let us learn in detail. Now, let us read the glossary. Motivation, a reason for acting or behaving in a particular way. Desire, a strong feeling of wanting to have something. Conceive, to form an idea, a plan, etc. Achieve, successfully reach a desired objective. Cinch, a thing that is certain to happen. Outclassed, overcame. For, in this lesson, because. Accomplishment, the successful achievement of a task. Small fire does not produce much heat. A weak desire does not produce great result. Big fire produces much heat. A strong desire produces great result. If you think you are outclassed, if you think others are better than you, life's battles don't always go to. Life's battles are not always won by. Duck somebody, to push somebody under water and hold them there for a short time. Okay, now let us move on to the lesson. Here is the quotation. The motivation to succeed comes from the burning desire to achieve a purpose. Burning desire is the motivation to get success. Napoleon Hill, who was an American writer, wrote, "Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve." He said in his quotation, "The key to achieving our dreams and goals is to make sure our mind does believe what it can be achieved." Now let us read the story. One day, a young man asked Socrates the secret to success. Socrates told the young man to meet him near the river the next morning. They met. Socrates asked the young man to walk with him towards the river. When the water got up to their neck, Socrates took the young man by surprise and ducked him into the water. The boy struggled to get out, but Socrates was strong and kept him there until the boy started turning blue. Socrates pulled his head out of the water, and the first thing the young man did was to gasp and take a deep breath of air. Socrates asked, "What did you want the most when you were there?" The boy replied, "Air." Socrates said, "That is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air, then you will get it. There is no other secret." Socrates said, "A burning desire is the starting point of all accomplishments. Just like a small fire cannot give much heat, a weak desire cannot produce great results." He said, "The secret to success is to be big enough to admit your mistakes, to be strong enough to correct them, to be wise enough to profit from them, be smart enough to make others think it was all part of your brilliant plan." Now let us read the poem written by Shiv Khera. Poem name is If You Think. It is about motivation. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost a cinch you won't. If you think you will lose, you are lost. For out in the world we find success begins with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger and faster man. But sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Now I will explain the poem. Success, failure, win, defeat, these all depend upon the man's thinking. Success begins with a fellow's means person's will. If we think we are beaten or lost, it certainly happens. If we think we are outclassed, so we need to be positive in our thoughts. We need to think high to get success. The person who thinks positively can easily win in the end. Victory is not always on the side of the stronger and faster man. Okay children, successfully we have completed B reading. That is, every success story is also a story of great failures. I hope you have understood very well. You read the reading again and again. We will meet in the next class. See you.